Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about sinusitis and allergic rhinitis. Do you frequently experience a cold that doesn't go away or gets even worse? Itchy nose, itchy throat, itchy ear, runny nose, tearing eyes, stuffy nose, frequent sneezing, blocked ears, dark circle around eyes. Then watch this video till the end and understand the possible causes and the most cost-efficient and effective home remedy that can help to manage these symptoms. What is a sinus infection? The sinuses, or sinus cavities, are hollow spaces that air flows through within the bones surrounding the nose. A sinus infection or sinusitis occurs when your nasal cavities become swollen and inflamed. It may be acute or chronic. Normally, your sinuses are filled with air. When sinuses become blocked and filled with fluid, germs such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi can grow and cause an infection. Signs and symptoms. Many sinus infection symptoms are common to both acute and chronic cases of sinusitis. Common symptoms of a sinus infection include thick, yellow, foul-smelling discharge from your nose, blockage in your nose, congestion, postnasal drip, sinus pressure or pain around your face and eyes, headache, generally in the forehead area and often referred to as a sinus headache, a cold that doesn't go away or gets even worse, fatigue, cough, fever, ear aches. What is rhinitis? Rhinitis refers to the irritation or swelling in the mucous lining of the nose. When it occurs after exposure to allergens, it is known as allergic rhinitis or hay fever, which is a highly prevalent ailment. This chronic illness is associated with significant respiratory distress, which can impede your productivity and overall quality of life as well as aggravate comorbid conditions such as asthma. Allergic rhinitis is an hyperimmune response and you need two things to happen simultaneously. Decrease the allergy load and down-regulate the hyperimmune response. If you don't take precautions, this could cause allergic sinusitis, allergic pharyngitis, nasal polyps. Prevention is better and maintenance therapy will help in the long run. Types of allergic rhinitis: seasonal allergic rhinitis, perennial allergic rhinitis. Other allergy triggers are smoke, perfumes, odors, change in air temperature and humidity. The increased sensitivity of the nasal lining mucosa due to the allergic reactions make you more sensitive to other inhalant. Signs and symptoms of allergic rhinitis: itchy nose, itchy mouth, itchy throat, itchy ears, runny nose, tearing eyes, stuffy nose, frequent sneezing, blocked ears, nasal bleeding, dark circle around eyes, creases on top of nose, feeling feverish, headaches, low energy intermittently. Since allergic rhinitis flares up upon exposure to allergens, it is important to follow certain preventive measures to avoid these triggers. Refrain from touching or rubbing your nose or eyes. Keep your hands clean and wash them with soap and water. Use a vacuum filter when vacuuming. Use a dehumidifier to lower the humidity levels indoors. Use hot water and detergent to wash your bed sheets and pillowcases. Avoid opening your windows during high pollen and mold seasons. Instead, use air conditioners. Bath your pets at regular intervals and maintain a hygiene routine. Restrict them from entering the bedroom to avoid pet dander. When going outside, wear a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses to prevent pollen from entering your eyes. Use dust mite-proof covers for duvets, comforters, pillows, box springs, and mattresses. Cover your nose and mouth when working with wheat flour as it may trigger baker's asthma. An allergy to wheat flour dust can induce allergic rhinitis and asthma symptoms as well. However, wheat in food forms isn't problematic. Inhaling wheat flour, rye, or soya might trigger the condition. Let's look at some silent questions you need an answer to. Are sinusitis and allergic rhinitis associated with each other? Allergic rhinitis can cause a blockage in the sinuses resulting in fluid accumulation, which acts as a breeding ground for germs. The ensuing infection triggers inflammation in the sinus lining, which is referred to as sinusitis. Is allergic rhinitis common during pregnancy? Allergic rhinitis is a common ailment that may occur even before pregnancy and may improve, aggravate, or remain the same during this period. However, a few women may develop allergic rhinitis during pregnancy purely as a matter of coincidence. Does vitamin D play a role in allergic rhinitis? Some clinical studies suggest that low vitamin D levels in the serum may increase the risk of developing allergic rhinitis, but others have produced conflicting results. It is also thought that gender and age may play a role in determining this relationship. Further studies are needed to conclusively establish this connection. Are viral infections associated with allergic rhinitis? Viral infections are common reasons for inflammation of the airways that is known as viral rhinitis. Viral and allergic rhinitis may influence each other's onset. According to recent studies, viral infections can prevent allergy development or aggravate clinical symptoms of allergic rhinitis. Why do allergy symptoms worsen at night? The symptoms can worsen at night due to the presence of indoor allergens, such as pet dander, pollen, and dust mites, especially on your bedding. Allergic rhinitis is a lifelong condition that can only be managed but not cured. Living with this respiratory illness can take a toll on your daily life in the absence of proper treatment. While allergic rhinitis is chiefly treated with medications, parallel therapies using natural products as well as body and mind practices are also available. These pharmacological and non-pharmacological interventions provide symptomatic relief from allergic rhinitis rather than treat the condition itself. Unfortunately, sinus infections are pretty common these days, as is unnecessary treatment with antibiotics. Remember that antibiotics are absolutely unnecessary when it comes to treating viral sinus infections, and most are caused by a virus. Taking antibiotics can do much more harm than good to your body, especially if you take them when they are truly not needed. Most sinus infections respond well to natural sinusitis treatment. There are so many natural options to choose from that are not just effective, but are also affordable and easy to do in the comfort of your home. Allergic rhinitis is a condition that stays with you. How it will affect you depends on you. You can live well even with allergic rhinitis. The following cost-efficient and effective home remedies can help manage the symptoms of allergic rhinitis. The natural remedy option today is carrot juice combo. Carrots. Carrots are one of the highest contributors of vitamin A. Carrot also provide ample amount of vitamin C, D, E and K as well as many minerals as magnesium, potassium and calcium. Carrots are also highly nutritious and cleansing due to their high fiber content. Carrot contains iron, zinc and copper, 3 key minerals that help with white blood cell production and inflammation. Juicing is a great way to get all the benefits of eating carrots in a more convenient way. Just make sure you keep the pulp in your cup to get all the gut-healthy fiber. Green apple. Green apples are rich in vitamins A, B and C. Studies suggest that regular use of green apple juice can cut down the risk associated with the onset of asthma by a good 23%. Green apples are loaded with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins that can promote overall health if consumed regularly. Green apple contains a good dose of antioxidants. These antioxidants actually help in safeguarding your body from oxidative stress-induced painful inflammatory conditions. Taking apple juice regularly can prevent chances of asthma, which is a hypersensitive allergic disorder. It contains a number of minerals, iron, zinc, copper, manganese, potassium, etc., which are trace minerals and are a must for human health and well-being. The iron in apples is a trace element and it helps in raising the levels of blood oxygen and helps in increased metabolic rate. Ginger. Ginger has demonstrated antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties, not to mention vitamin C. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for supporting a healthy immune system. How exactly does ginger do all that? The ginger root contains compounds called gingerols, shogaol and paradols. These cool little compounds are capable of supporting your body's fight against inflammation and free radicals that can contribute to a number of health conditions. The compound gingerol is very effective at supporting your body's natural anti-inflammation response. Ginger supports natural inflammatory response. It also supports immunity. Studies have found that consuming ginger may help reduce symptoms related to colds, allergies, respiratory infections. Orange. Oranges are often called a perfect food because they contain an amazing variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that support the body's natural healing mechanisms. Many of the healthy benefits of oranges result from the number of vitamins they contain, such as high amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, B-complex vitamins, folate, beta-carotene, lutein, and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and potassium. Orange, also called citrus fruits, naturally contain high amounts of vitamin C, and oranges have even higher amounts than other citrus fruits. And experts have long spoken of the many health benefits that vitamin C provides. Well known as a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C plays an important role in protecting cells from damage, aids in repairing cells, and also in healing wounds. Vitamin C also boosts a person's immune system. It raises immunity against common viruses and viral infections, such as the common cold. Note: allergic rhinitis will not go away, but you can live better with it. Nasal congestions brought on by sinusitis can easily be alleviated by drinking targeted fresh juices, such as carrot juice combo, and making some diet adjustments. Watch my next video for the recipe and preparation of the carrot juice combo. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.